Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. I've got a little bit of a different setup here, so I hope that this works out for you. Let me go ahead and show you what we're working with. We've got these little Dollar Tree kind of candy dishes, right? And they are plastic, which is kind of cool. I've got a cute, look at how vibrant that is. Now, I hope this setup works for you. It's kind of a tilted camera angle, but I'm trying my best to come up with a solution. So let me know in the comments below if you like this, because it will help me so I can move forward. But this is so pretty. It's got this, like, it reminds me of unicorns and rainbows. I've got some little fudge hearts. And then I've got some jewel border stickers. Just a couple other things that I toyed around with were these little pearl wraps in silver and pearl. And then I also have some washi tape. And this was from the Dollar Tree, but it was from, like, I must admit, probably 2 years ago. So we're going to play around and have some fun. Let me go ahead and just open these right up. And of course I've got my glue gun. So let's go ahead and get started with that. These are just beautiful. I found these the first time at a King Dollar in Texas. So once I found those, oh my gosh, I was so excited to see them at the Dollar Tree, and of course I grabbed a pair or a set. All right, we are going to go ahead and decorate all the fun here. We're going to take this little guy, and I think, well, let me build it first. Let me go ahead and build it and show you what we're going to do. We're going to take this guy. What are we going to do? We're going to flip it over, of course. And then we're going to take this guy. We're going to get this one. And watch this. It fits perfectly on there. Do you see that? Look at, see, oh! See the ridge right there? This fits perfectly in that ridge. It is look like it's meant to be. So excited for that. This part we're just going to save for another project. But then we're going to take this guy and he's going to go right on top. Can you see that? Let me show you how it's going to look. Isn't that so cute? That is adorable. So you could be done at that point after you hot glue everything together, or E6000. But we're going to decorate this up. And I want to show you, you can always use these guys, right? So just take your little window cling sticker and stick that right on there. And then you may have to glue it down because this does have a little bit of texture to it. But oh my gosh, that would be so adorable. Let's go ahead and show you. Right. So we've got that like that. You have your little sticker on there. I'm going to try and hold the sticker. I'm going to try and hold everything. I don't have that big of fingers. But look at how cute that would be. Is that adorable? I think so. Is my face so close? I'm telling you, new setup. Let me know what you think. But, okay, I don't want this to be for Valentine's, but when you use those window clings, if you do find like just a straight glass one of these, you don't have to go with your purple because they have all different colors. They have a blue as well. But you, if it's just a straight glass, you could always just put that on there. Or, I know, it's only a $1 Dollar Tree DIY, but I want to show you all of the different ways. You could use this guy on there as well, and that'll stick much better. So that would be so cute. So let's go ahead and decorate this guy. I am going to take these and we're just going to pull these right off. And then I am going to take and put one right here. And just go all the way around. And then when I get to where I need to get to, I'm going to just cut that off with my little snips here. And I think we're going to go on this side. There we go. And there we go. So cute. All right, I'm going to use two. I'm going to go one up here and then one down toward the bottom as well. So you see there's still plenty left over. So this is what, how much does this cost? $1, $2, $3. And then this is going to be my back. And we're going to go right there. And I'm trying my very best to line that up with the lines there. Well, that didn't work. There we go. And as long as you can line that up, it should come out pretty decent. And then I'm going to do the same here, just cutting that little, I'm going to cut it off right here. There we go. You can't really even tell. And then if you did want to close in, like you could see a little gap there, you could always take just a little piece here. I'll just take, let's see. We're going to take 2 of these little diamonds. That's all you need to fill in that gap. You see there? So that's all filled in. It looks like I did do this one a little bit crooked. You could always straighten it out just in case. There we go. But there you go. You can't tell what is the front, what is the back, and you are good to go. And then we save those for later. And we're going to get out our hot glue gun. And this is what we're going to do. We know that this fits in there perfectly. So we're just going to put our little hot glue right here all the way around. We want to work quickly because it is going to, it will dry pretty quick. Just find the groove and then stick that in that groove there and you're good. Look, ta-da, you are good. Now this one is a little bit harder, but it still fits up pretty nicely. So what we're going to do on this one is we're going to go around the edge here. I'm going to put a little more glue on here. Again, make sure you're working fast because especially on glass it does go quickly. And then you want to make sure that you are as straight as possible because that, see how quick that was? But look at how beautiful. Isn't that super gorgeous? And now you want to put your little candies in there. This would make a super cute gift for somebody. Just a fun way to give some little Valentine treats. And just make sure those little hearts are sticking up the right way. Or just to have out for Valentine's for your guests. So I think that little guy is so cute. Let me show you here. Look at that. Oh, I love it. All right. If you like this, beauties, please give me a big thumbs up. I would love it so much. And then another thing I did want, and I wasn't sure, is if I wanted to put this because it has that purple in there. And I was thinking about putting it right up here. So let me just show you real quick. I think I like it just as is. But let me just show you with that washi on there. You see that? Isn't that pretty? Wouldn't that look nice all the way around? Again, I don't think I want that on this one just because it I feel like it's already done and complete. But let me know your thoughts. Would you do the washi? What would you put in there? I mean, you could put a light in there and make that into an adorable little lamp. So I think that is cute. And it just looks like it was made to fit together. All right, beauties. Have a wonderful day. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this setup so that I can move forward in either keeping it like this or changing it around. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe today. Become a beauty. If you want to support my channel, I do have a Patreon link where you can get rewards for supporting this channel. I'll put all of that right down below. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.